Alright guys, we're going to show you one floor at a time and see what we find. This is the main entrance. This is where you would actually come in and register. That's where I had to come and register. But that's where you come in here, check in. This is the first place we come in, ain't it, Rudy?
Yeah. Certainly is.
Oh wow. Oh, hey Rudy. There's a truck over there. I saw a truck over there. Nice looking one too. It's over here. Oh, looky there, guys. Nice looking bike. That's a nice looking bike. Oh, we got some nice looking trucks over here too.
They're over there.
Old school. What is it? These are inside trucks. The Hornet. Look at here, straight, a cab over straight truck. Kenworth. Believe it or not, I think that's a good looking truck. Oh, there he is. Now, there ain't a whole bunch of talking on this. It's because I'm just not a motor mouth. Oh, I love cab overs, man. I love cab overs. Here's one right there. Oh yeah, I love cab overs. That's a 1982 Kenworth.
With a screaming preteen, and Nemo was playing banquets deep down in New Orleans. You had your big John Trimble to the east, and Bill Mann
WSM, that's Nashville, Tennessee.
Really?
It's a real radio station.
Calling in. Oh, that forgotten man in this cold dark land was.
You know, I take that back. A lot of people are starting to come.
Yeah.
I usually do a run through, and then after I'm done, then I have a pretty good. Hey, what do you guys do?
We are a factory and company, and a fuel card company, and a freeload board, and we'll help you start your own trucking company if you want to. The question is, what do you want? And I'll tell you what I have that you need.
Is that right?
61108.
61108. Okay.
There you go.
I'm Trucker Jukebox.
Okay, yeah.
So somebody might come up and say, I just saw Trucker Jukebox's video. I want to, so you know.
Awesome.
All right?
I appreciate it.
All right.
Thanks for your time, man.
All right, thank you. Ooh, I'm sorry about that.
Stuff.
There's their race car. Hey, I'm getting stuff here. So they're just like Com Data, T-Tech, you know. Where'd Diego at?
Giving them parts.
Huh?
He's giving them parts.
He's a good man. He really is. You're a good man. You are a good man. You are a good man. Thank you. Oh, custom engraving, LD. Wisconsin. Custom engraving. Okay, hey Rudy. These are the people you got to watch out for. Oh yeah. They're Kentucky State Troopers. Win this vehicle for 10 bucks. Hey Angela, hey, you guys want to win this vehicle for 10 bucks? You can win this car for $10.
I'll buy it right now.
Seriously?
$10. I'm just kidding. It's a draw.
It is a draw, but you could win.
Where's the handle door? Where's the handle?
It's behind that little groove right there.
That's cool, eh?
How you doing? This is the only time I can say hi to you on video, and you don't mind, right? This is cool. You got the coolest squad cars, by the way. Look at this, man.
I want to record this.
Can I ask how fast?
I have no idea.
No idea. That's.
I don't have a clue, buddy.
I hear you.
I haven't had it there yet.
They are sharp looking cars though. I'd rather look at it this way than any other way. Look, he's even got a cage back there, guys. Hey? He's even got...
I don't know what they can do in miles per hour, but in kilometers an hour, they can do 220.
I was hoping he could tell me 0 to 60 or whatever, 8 seconds or something, but that's pretty cool. It ain't too often I can get a state trooper on camera.
Rudy's putting tickets in for that car.
He is.
Oh yeah.
Is he doing that?
Hey, we are backseat drivers.
Is he doing that? All right, Angie. Angie Redding, that's who I'm talking to. Look, your truck is here. You see this? See that?
great job with Chelsea here.
As soon as everybody gets around me. Natural compressed natural gas. UPS. Crest CSRT. We're a YouTuber, by the way.
Oh, you are?
Yeah, you got my card,
yeah.
so don't forget.
Alright.
Oh, you need my skin thing. Alright.
Wayne, Ohio.
So this is Trucker Jukebox, the guy again.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, now I just spin it, right?
Yep.
Now, if it doesn't go all the way around, do I get a boo? Price is Right, that's what they do.
Amber will definitely boo you.
Alright. Alright. Here we go. What I get? What I get? What I get? A frisbee. A frisbee.
Prize right there.
Oh. Come on. Going to renew our OOIDA membership, so we're just waiting till it's our turn to get up there so we can do this. What are you doing? I'm getting dizzy watching you. That is kind of fun, ain't it?
Oh yeah.
You guys did.
Oh, hi Rudy. I want a pizza. That's what I want. Oh.
Yeah, but she said there's not all good. I mean, they're all good.
Oh, well, I like the sausage. Give me 2 slices.
Did you get food for me as well? You want something? Well, that would be, I would appreciate that. Oh, you would appreciate that?
What do you want?
Some pizza. You meet me out of school. Not out of school?
Uh-huh.
Before this house.
Oh yeah, of course.
Once they're out of school, and if I meet them in person and I remind them of this, they will buy me cold beer for free.
Oh, okay. All right.
You're gonna remember that.
Don't forget it.
You know?
All right.
I gotta remember that.
I'm going to finish my beer. I'll be back. Okay, good. We're recording now. I did get a cart. I did, because after about 2 hours or 3 hours of walking, my legs were like, I don't know if it was my hips so much or my legs, but I got it for tomorrow too. So I can show you guys a lot tomorrow. But my feet, my legs aren't going to get tired, right? Let's see. Oh, I got to have this in order to keep up with these guys, man. Shoot. These youngsters are, well, they're younger than I am, just a little bit. Oh boy, we got you walking funny. Remember, I'm closer to the ground. That looked weird.
They work better when they run into something. Get back with you on that deal. As long as that nut is tight.
Man, Rudy's walking. I gotta put this thing in rapid speed now. Check him out. Check him out. I can catch up with. I keep up with him now. I like this. They think they're wearing me out. I'm keeping right up with you guys. I love it. I love it, man. Thing goes pretty. Oh, right here, the trucks?
Oh, yeah. You know what? I need that camera.
Which hall? Yeah, okay. You should have waited until I got on top of the hill.
I should.
Yeah. Oh, no, it went up it already. Now, I'm going to take some pictures. You'll take some video?
Yeah.
I'll take some pictures. All right.
Put this in here?
Yeah. I'm going to take some pictures. He's going to take some video.
I'll tell you what.
Well, I'll take some video until he takes... Yeah. Look at the crowd. We're getting on the school bus. Hi, Angelo. Angelo, see, I called you Angelo again. I don't know why I'm doing that. Diego. We might fit on there.
Were you just recording me now?
I am. I got you. You know, he been my cameraman all day today. Rudy wouldn't be my cameraman. He told me to go take a hike.
I told you to go get a scooter.
I mean, look at this guy, man. He's serious about his YouTube. I want to show these people. They're serious. Look at there. Look at that. And look at that. Them are two big guns right there. Golly. I'm burping that beer now. I'm burping that beer I had. I bet Rudy is too. Aren't you, Rudy? I am.
I need another one.
Huh, do we always know what you mean? Oh, look at them guys. Look at them guys back there. See my battery blinking red? It's gonna die eventually. I gotta get it back.
That's right.
But we're back on the bus. And I gotta check on Panda and Jake. Well guys, day one of the truck show is over.
That's right, guys. And we had fun. We walked our asses off. We just about did, right?
Kinda. He walked his ass off. I got a little... Wait till you see what I'm riding tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's right.
But we got to grab as much of this show as we can tomorrow.
That's right. Yeah, tomorrow we got to really work on our videos and get as much footage as we can, right?
And we got the outside done.
We did,
we got the trucks today.
Yeah.
So...
At least a good part of it.
That's right. Now it's time to call it a day. We're going to render a video.
He's gone. He's behind the tree.
Ah, he's gone now.
Yeah.
But anyway,